Lab number 8 is about op-amp differentiator. Similarly like op-amp integrator, we need one IC of op-amp IC, that is LM741 IC, one capacitor of nanofarad and one resistor. There is a difference in op-amp integrator circuit and op-amp differentiator circuit, that in feedback loop we will use resistor instead of capacitor, and we use capacitor as an input element. Okay, and we use DC power supply. For DC power supply we will take positive 5 volt and negative 5 volt, also ground line from this main power supply. And we need oscilloscope for the display purpose of input and output signal of op-amp differentiator. We will use both the channels of oscilloscope. Yes. Also we need functional generator. From functional generator we take the input of different frequency as well as different amplitude. We will see that here is a wave function. From that we will check the input like square wave, triangular as well as sine wave. Start making circuit of op-amp differentiator. We have already discussed the op-amp differentiator circuit in theoretical demo. On the input, that is second pin, inverting pin, we are connecting the capacitor, and in feedback loop will go from second pin to 6th pin. Second pin is inverting and 6 is output pin. So we are connecting resistor between 2 and pin number 6. At third pin, that is non-inverting pin, to ground, because this is the inverting configuration of op-amp. Now we will connect the power supply. The positive of power supply is connected to pin number 7 here. We are going to connect ground line here because we are making ground line common for function generator, oscilloscope, and third pin is also grounded here, this one. Okay, now we are going to connect negative DC power supply to pin number 4. This one is pin number 4 here. Okay, and now we will connect functional generator, that from which we will take input on the capacitor. Okay, so we are moving towards the functional generator. These are functional generator probe. You can see this one is negative, red one, and this is black. Red is positive, black is negative. So black one is grounded here on common ground line, this one, and we are connecting this positive of function generator to the capacitor, same column of capacitor as input. Okay, now we will select oscilloscope. This one is channel 1 probe and this is channel 2. I am making channel 1 ground on the same ground line, so there is no need to ground channel 2, and connecting channel 1 probe on input and channel 2 probe on output, that is pin number 6 where resistor is connected. Channel 1 is on input and channel 2 is on output. I have applied the input signal, that is triangular wave. Okay, we are going to check the output. What will be the output of triangular wave? Okay. You can see here I have applied triangular wave on the input. On the output it is square wave. This one is output and this is input. If I am going to when I change the input from triangular to sine wave, I am getting the square wave. This is the output of differentiator. You can see when I am going to vary the input, I am getting the differentiation of input signal. That's all about differentiator.